Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of Yamaha's new AR250. We just got this boat in. It's a 2025 model. It's in space blue. Comes on a tandem axle trailer with disc brakes. It's a beautiful boat. I love this color combination. Let's walk around back and I can show you some more. Here in the stern of the boat we have Yamaha's signature swim platform. It's a great area for hanging out at the sandbar or back in the cove. You're gonna have your rear firing speakers. You got your backrests so you can face rearward, and you also have a table mount here for the table. Let's climb aboard. Here in the bow of the boat, we have this beautiful wraparound seating. We've got removable cushions so that you can put your feet down here. Also have your stereo system and grab rails. As we move back to the helm, you're going to have a tilt steering wheel, the Yamaha Connect screen, phone charger and mount. You also have your rotary dial to scroll through the screen options. Here on the port side, we've got lots of storage in this console. We also have some glove box storage here and some cup holders. At our captain's chair, we have a nice flip-up bolster. Moving rearward, we've got this water sports tower and bimini. We have this gorgeous wraparound seating, great for entertaining with all your friends, hanging out, having a good time at the lake. If you guys would like to hear more about this boat or come take a look at it in person, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.